23 at Council Bluffs. This week's test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard Warning Alert System is in support of the tornado drills for Severe Weather Awareness Week in Iowa and Nebraska. Normally, the weekly test of this alarm system is conducted every Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a severe weather threat, the tests are postponed until the next available good weather day. The alarm tone will activate for severe weather and other life-threatening emergency messages for 9 transmitters across eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa. This is only a test. There is no severe weather threat currently in Iowa. As part of this week's special test tornado drill, dispatchers are encouraged to share this message to test emergency communication capabilities and local spotting activation procedures. All schools, businesses, hospitals, law enforcement, and other emergency communications and sheltering plans. This concludes our test tornado drill in support of Severe Weather Awareness Week in Iowa and Nebraska. We now return you to your regular programming. This hazardous weather